Hey guys, it's Zyler with Handskate, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on the heel flip.
Move like the move like.
So, the heel flip is a trick much like the kick flip, but in the opposite direction. Flicking it forward instead. Some tricks you should know to do a heel flip are, once again, the shove it, an ollie, and also a kick flip. The reason you're going to want to be able to do a kick flip is because the heel flip's a lot more complex, at least I think it is, and I think it's a lot harder to do than the kick flip, and it's always good to be able to do a flip trick before you can do a heel flip. So, steps to do the heel flip. It's the same as the steps for the kick flip. You do the same thing with the backhand. Just get that nice straight forward pop, just like an ollie. Simultaneously, while you do the pop, your front hand goes forward like a diagonal motion, so it looks something like that. And really it involves kind of the side of your hand, like maybe like your pinky and then your like right hand ring finger. Is that even your ring finger still? I don't even know. So then it's a pop and a flick off right there, and then you should land it. So I actually had a lot of difficulty when learning how to heel flip because my hand would get like stuck almost. My hand literally would get stuck when trying to flip it. So flipping it forward, it wouldn't flick all the way because my hand was there. So actually a tip that I like to do, I like to curl my hand like this. And so when I do the heel flip, my hand's curled and it gives the board room to flip. See that? Like there's a little like room there. There's like a pocket that the board can flip around and it misses your hand, so then you can do the full flick. Just like that. So what it would look like if you were like catching it or something is maybe like that, I guess. And it's a little annoying, and but it's something to work around, you know. Just the little bit of a hand curl can help you out there. Some other problems you might have is flicking it too far forward, like just up the board, straight up the nose. That just results in like, sometimes it results in ollie, and you don't want that because that's not really the heel flip. So it's the pop, the flick, flip, catch, land, roll away, and there you have a heel flip. And just play around with it. Like, feel what feels good for you and flick it how you like. Just have fun with it. It's just Handskate, we're just having fun. So I hope you enjoy it. And by it, I mean, of course, this beautiful Handskate. You could get yours at www.handskate.com or on Amazon. And I also hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the Handskate YouTube channel for more awesome tutorials and other just fun ways to play with your Handskate. So make sure you leave a like and comment below some suggestions you have for a new video or something cool you'd like to see on this channel. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe and follow us on Instagram. See you next time. Peace.